dance is called Here to Dance. 32 count, 4 walls, and there's one restart during wall 4 at the end of 24 count. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with your right foot, step your right to the side, touch left next to right. Step your left to the side with knee pop, recover, knee pop, recover, cross right over left, recover, side. So section 1 again, side, touch, side knee pop, recover knee pop, recover, cross, recover, side. Section 1 with the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, cross, left over right, do a quarter shuffle to your left. Cross, recover, side together, quarter, step, half turn, walk, walk. Section 2 again, cross, recover, side together, quarter, step right, make a pivot, half turn to your left, and walk, walk. So, section 2 with the count, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, step your right forward with your knee bent and hold a count. Forward, hold 1 count, return back to the center. Same for the left, forward, hold a count, return back to the center. Point your right to the side, hold 1 count, back to the center. Point your left to the left side and hitch. So section 3 is forward, hold a count, return, and forward, hold a count, return. Point to the side, hold a count at the center, and point your left to the side with a hitch. So with a count, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, hold 6, and 7, 8. Last section, point your left to the side, forward, point right to the side, forward, back, side, cross shuffle. Last section, point left to the side, forward, point right to the side, forward, back, side, cross shuffle. And you finish the dance here. Let me show you the whole dance. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So in this dance, during wall 4, there is a restart. Wall 4, I will show you facing 9 o'clock. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. This is the end of 24 count, and you will start the dance here, facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you continue the dance.